So I actually don't like so many products in this video. Some are really, really good though. So if you're interested in anything, I will have it linked down below. But to be frank, there's gonna be quite a few popular products that I'm gonna tell you not to buy. Don't believe the hype. But let's get started on a positive note, because this first product is something I absolutely recommend everyone to try. And it's something that I've talked about on my channel before. I discovered it myself almost 11 years ago. And now they want to actually work with me, I think because they probably saw my YouTube video recommending it, but it's the Concentrace Mineral Drops. So when I was pregnant with my second son, my first pregnancy was kind of a disaster with my teeth, and I just knew I needed more minerals in my body. And so this is the best of the best. Again, it's by Trace Minerals. It has over 70 naturally occurring minerals. There's no sugar. It's completely flavorless, and you put 40 drops into water or juice or smoothies or however you want. It doesn't taste like anything, but it is the real deal. Like, there's no fluff in this. There's nothing bad. And I feel like everyone, including myself, like we talk about vitamins, but minerals are so much more important. Without the minerals, vitamins can't be properly absorbed into our bodies. And this helps with digestion. It helps with energy. It helps with our bones. I mean, I took it because of my teeth. And then electrolytes have become so popular in recent years, which I don't think is necessarily a bad thing, but there's so many bad brands where they are filling the electrolyte powders with sugar or artificial sugar, with fillers like maltodextrin, with synthetic dyes and colorings. Like, it's really bad. This is the Trace Minerals version. It's called Zero Light, so there's no sugar. It's electrolytes and coconut water. It is sweetened with stevia leaf, and it is so tasty. Now that I have my sauna, I'm exercising more, I'm sweating, I'll use this every once in a while. Josh is upset. Like, Josh, this is his thing, like more than me even, and I'm more with the drops. So I'm just thrilled that I am teaming up with them for you guys to try. You can get their products on Amazon. They gave me a promo code. It's SheaW15TM, and you can enter that promo code at checkout on Amazon. It should work for all of their products. I'm telling you guys, it's such a genuinely good brand, and it's just something that I think everyone should try to incorporate into their life. Okay, so that is one of the best things you can buy. Now let's move into some of the worst things, and I'm gonna just kind of flip-flop back and forth. Let's talk about this, which, do you know what this is? I like the idea of this, and honestly, it works really well. It is an automatic stir. There's 3 levels. It's kind of loud, but you put it in a pan or a pot. It literally spins itself. It stirs it around, and you can walk away from the stove, and it's gonna continually stir whatever you're cooking, and that's great. So honestly, the functionality of this is there. The reason I hate it, and I think it's a bad purchase and you should not buy it, is because this is plastic. It's plastic. What? If they would make this maybe a stainless steel version, then maybe I would really like this. But the fact that you're putting it in a piping hot pan, it's actually touching the bottom of the pan where it's the most hot. It's stirring it around, pretty much just like putting plastic all through your food. No. So, bad. And then there's this. It is a spatula, and to be fair, I needed a spatula at our cabin. We just didn't have a spatula, and I was like, okay, I'm going to buy this $19 spatula that everybody loves apparently. And yes, it does spatula, but the thing is, you can see there's these grooves, and I guess it's special because you can then wipe the mixers with the grooves to like clean off the mixers. And what? Like, why would you take time to do that? Your tongue is just fine. Just lick the mixer. Or better yet, if you're worried about salmonella, just run it underwater, because you then have to clean this. This is like so weird to me. And this is a freaking expensive spatula. So again, it's fine because I just actually needed one. But to me, you should not waste your money on this. This is a fun video, honestly, because I'm not usually negative. I really don't like being negative. However, it's fun to kind of just speak my mind sometimes. Let's get back to a little positivity. This is one of those protein shakers. It's actually the brand Yeti, which is a really higher end brand, very good quality, but they recently launched this shaker where there is no ball that goes inside or no mixer thing that goes inside, but they created like this design where it's a vortex almost. So Josh is like the king of protein shakes. He has so many different shaker bottles, and we ordered this one. He tried it out a few times. Here's him just putting, all of his protein powders and creatine and like all the things in there. and you just shake it up, and literally with a few short shakes, there's just something about the way this vortex is inside, and it mixes everything so quick. Again, do you need this? No, but if you maybe need a new one, or you have a husband or a boyfriend that uses these things all the time, or maybe you do, I think this is like a legit good purchase. Okay, we're back to some bad stuff. There's some fashion items I recently ordered that have been hyped up and they're really popular. They are so bad. Starting with what I'm wearing, which, okay, the threshold of me returning this has passed. I decided to wear it for this video to get some use out of it because Lord knows I am never wearing this outside of the house. It is so stupid. It's one of those shirts where the buttons are meant to be diagonal, but it just looks like the whole thing's crooked. It looks like it's sewn poorly. It looks cheap. It looks like it's wrong. I hate it. So from here down, it's not too bad, but when you're looking at it right like this, like what? It looks so dumb. So don't buy this. And then this is called the cottagecore vest. All the cool girlies are wearing it. Actually, are they wearing it? The thing is, even in the product listing, there's not even a model wearing this. It's just the vest, which by itself, it's like, oh wow, that's really cool. This is kind of like a Dior inspired pattern. So I got it and I put it on. I don't know what I look like. I look like I should work in the food industry. I look like I'm a cashier. I hate this. Again, I don't really know why this is so popular. Who's actually wearing it? Okay, this next one I'm also pretty passionate about. I know I sound like I am for all of this, but this one for real. This is stupid. This is a red light, like LED scalp brush. So when you turn it on, there's the red light, okay? And it does also have blue light and vibration, but really it's meant to, you know, stimulate hair growth. You're supposed to turn it on and brush your hair. But the thing is, maybe on camera, this looks bright. This is so pathetically dim. It is so faint. It is just like a terrible quality red light. Not to mention, it's not even really reaching your hair follicles. Like your hair's actually blocking it. You would have to spend so much time slowly brushing your hair to really have this do anything. And even if you do spend tons of time using this, it's just not gonna do anything because of how pathetic this red light actually is. Now the thing is, real high quality, full spectrum, near infrared red light can in fact tremendously help with your hair follicles, with hair regrowth, with thickness, with like reducing breakage. And so if you're interested in trying that, like this is the Loom Box. This thing is so powerful. Like I cannot even explain to you like in person how much more powerful this thing is. And so if you want to use it on your hair, you can just literally, I mean, even like it penetrates onto your scalp, and then you can brush your hair. You can, oh my gosh, this is fantastic. And I love how this also, you can use it on your thyroid. You can use it on painful spots to help reduce inflammation. You can use it on your face to help with skin. Like there's just so many uses for this one. I love the style of it. It is a little more expensive than this, but honestly, it is well worth the investment. I have a promo code that they sent to me like over a year ago. It's just Shea Whitney. This is not sponsored, but I believe my code Shea Whitney, I tested it, it's still valid. It gives you $265 off the product. That brings it down quite a bit, and this is like a legitimate, really good red light therapy device. Okay, here's another thing that I personally just don't like, and this is more a personal preference, but this is a very popular pillow, like an ergonomic beauty pillow by Nurse Jamie, and you can get it in white and black. I kind of like that you can get it in black because it kind of hides everything, although you could also put a pillowcase over it, but it's really weird. It has like these different grooves, and you're supposed to lay on your side. Like if you're a side sleeper, you would lay right here so that your face is not smushed and it's gonna create less wrinkles, but it's like weird to get over there. It's very uncomfortable. This is squishy, but I don't find it comfortable at all. And then if you are a back sleeper, you would obviously put your neck here. The thing is though, like it doesn't keep your head in place. It's just very jarring. I just don't like this at all. And it's $89. What I would absolutely recommend instead is this neck pillow that I bought from Amazon almost a year ago. And I did mention it in a couple videos. I kid you not, so many people came back to me in the comments raving about this pillow. It is so much better than the one I just showed you. It kind of has like a little divot or dimple So if you wanna like, lay on your back, it keeps your head in place, but it's so soft. And then if you do wanna turn to your side, there's like a spot where you can kind of have your hand. It like cradles your head even on the side really well. It's half the price. And of course you can put a pillowcase over top of it if you want, but I'm more just showing you like this just so you can see what it looks like. It's so well designed and just so much better. And then we have this thing. I fully expected to hate this thing. I thought it would be so dumb. I like rolled my eyes about it. It's a vacuum, a mattress vacuum cleaner, okay? And the thing is, I'm just not a germaphobe. I'm just not. Like, that's just, like, I like the germs, bring them on to me. But with, like, in a way though, I'm like, wait, I love the whole house filters. Like, we're breathing in so many toxins, we're breathing in dust mites and just bad stuff into our lungs. So I'm like, okay, so why am I so on board with that? But our mattress apparently collects a lot of allergens and dust particles and all the bad stuff. So I was like, okay, I'll try this. I did some swipes, like literally 5 swipes. This thing's filled up so quickly. I had no idea my mattress was holding in so much stuff. So this is really powerful. It has UV light that also penetrates down, so it kills all the stuff. And I guess we do sweat when we sleep and things kind of grow. And so like when I really think about it, it does make sense, but it does pull up quite a bit. So this is really well priced. It's very easy to use. And honestly, I'm pretty darn impressed with it. Next, we're getting into some beauty products that some I just think are really bad, you should not buy. And then others I think are just kind of a waste of money. So I want to start with the Dr. Teal's brand. This makes me mad. So I ordered like this big bubble bath like thing, and it was actually, I think it was gonna be on sale for Prime Day, and I was like, ooh, this is a great deal that I'm gonna share with my audience because I think it's like a healthy brand. I mean, they definitely market it like it's a healthy, good brand that you should use. And then I turned over the back to look at the ingredients. It's appalling. It's appalling. Like there's so many toxic ingredients in this, things that you can't pronounce, which I know. Everything is a chemical, but there's just actual bad ingredients in Dr. Teal's, and it just irks me when they try to be a really healthy brand. And then we have these shave products, which this one, it's not that bad. It's the EOS 24-hour moisture hydration shave cream. So you would keep this in the shower, and when you wanna shave your legs or your armpits or wherever, it's a little thicker. The thing is, I'm just very against this. I think this is a waste of your money. I'm telling you guys, the hack is to just get a little pump of conditioner and slather that on your legs, and it just swipes so smoothly. Like that is what I feel like you should be using for shave cream. This is really thick. Honestly, I feel like it dulls your razor way faster than it should. So I think this is just a waste of money. Now this is the Coochie Plus. I don't even like saying that word. The Coochie Plus shave cream. It is so potently scented, and it's meant for like down there. Apparently it's supposed to be like better in that area. I have tried many things. I don't think it's that great. It doesn't really make any difference whatsoever. It's also called Coochie Plus. Like who the heck needs to buy this? Just don't. Next, I am just so late to the game with the Revlon Color Stay line. It's been out for years and years and years. People love it. I didn't know how good it was. So I first discovered their lip liners. Again, the Color Stay lip liners. I have them in multiple colors. They're so inexpensive. My favorite shade of all time is nude. It's actually what I've been wearing for every video for like the last month. Mauve is really good. I also have a dark chocolate brown. I have like a more like reddish color over there that I don't wear that much, but it stays in place. It's fabulous. Put like a lip gloss over top. Highly recommend. But really why I wanted to like bring it up again in this video is because I also recently tried the Revlon Color Stay eyeliners, and I specifically tried the dark brown, which if you know me at all, I love a good dark brown eyeliner because it doesn't look nearly as harsh. It looks more natural, but it still makes your eyes pop. And so this is a great one to try. It goes on your waterline and it stays on your waterline. You could also do it on your upper and lower lashes, and it also comes with a smudger, so you can gently smudge it out just to make it, again, not as harsh. It just stays in place. It's a really good buy. Next, we have a purchase that was such a fail for me. This is like right up my alley. Like I thought this was gonna be so cool. It's ear seeds. Have you guys heard of ear seeds? Basically, it's acupuncture for your ears. And so I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cool because there's like different meridians in your ears, and you can place these little, like, they're almost like pellets, but with stickers. Like it hits the pressure points in your ears, and it gives you a diagram, and it gives you like a tweezer thing, and you can place them in your ears. And it's supposed to help with all kinds of different things, like stress, immunity, shoulder pain, neck pain, detoxing, depending on where you put it on your ears. The thing is, I couldn't get them to stick. Like it took me, I not exaggerating, like 20 minutes to get one of them in my ear to like stick. And within 30 seconds, it fell off in my ear. So I just can't imagine wearing this. What if I'm laying down and one gets stuck in my ear? Like, I don't know. But maybe it's just this brand that isn't great. I'm curious if you guys have ever tried ear seeds and maybe there's like a different version you guys recommend. Okay, now another really popular brand that I am just not a fan of. And the thing is, this is why I never do these videos. I hate being so negative on other people's brands, but it's the Lemme brand. It's Kourtney Kardashian's brand, and of all the Kardashians, I quite like Kourtney. She's so health conscious. I really like a lot of the things she says and she stands for. I'm just not a fan of her gummies. I just don't really like gummies in general for nutrition or for vitamins and nutrients. I think that they're never really that potent enough to actually do anything, and they're usually chocked full of sugars and fillers. I think hers like definitely leans more on like the healthier side, but it's still tons of sugar in this. There is natural flavors, like who the heck knows what that is. There's citric acid. There's just like things that I don't love about it, but mainly I think people buy this because it tastes good, but they're not actually getting what they're paying for. Like it's just not worth it. But this is all just my opinion. If you love this and you want to buy it, that's great. Who cares what I say, except for this next thing. For the love of God, do not buy the Downy Unstoppable Laundry Beads. Don't do it. I know we all like to smell good. This stuff is so bad. It coats your clothes in synthetic 24-hour protection. I mean, have you seen that commercial where she's smelling and then she's walking around town, she's getting the job she wants, she's conquering the world with her unstoppable laundry beads? I think that this is so toxic. That's just my thing. It's gonna disrupt your hormones. It's gonna do so many bad things in your body, and you're smelling it nonstop. It's just too much. So anyway, that's my opinion. Things are falling on the floor. But don't forget about the Trace Minerals Concentrate Drops and then their electrolyte packets. This is a brand that does it right. I fully stand behind them. My code will work for 15% off on Amazon. And then you should watch this video next, because castor oil is one of the best things that you can purchase, which is why I formulated my own version of it. And in this video, I share 50 ways that you can use it on different parts of your body that could legitimately change your life. So I'll see you over there.